Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to secure your Discord login using a passkey. So it's a very simple option. Just simply click on your profile at the bottom right hand side corner. Now click on the gear option at the top right hand side corner. Now over here just simply go to the accounts, scroll down and you should be able to see an option called security key. Click on that. Then click on add at the very top right hand side corner. Create a passkey with your password manager or create a passkey with your Android device. You will have the option of enroll your Android device or an external key as a security key. Choose any one of the options. Let's say for example create a passkey with your Android device. Then click on let's go. Now wait for a few seconds. Then all you have to do is verify your Discord with your current password. After verifying it, wait for a few seconds. Now over here you will have a pop-up option to continue to create a passkey using your Google account. Then once you choose your email address, click on continue. Now wait for a few seconds and now add your fingerprint. Now just simply wait for a few seconds again. And now over here just simply give a name. What do you want to call your key? So I'll just simply say my key. Then click on finish. Now your key has been added. Now you can just close the menu from the top left hand side corner. And over here you will have the key. Now let's log out. So just simply scroll down and then click on log out. And again click on log out. Now again log back in. Then click on sign in with passkey at the very bottom. And over here you can just simply directly use the Google account that is linked with your passkey. So click on that. Then use your fingerprint. That way you will be able to directly log back in securely using your passkey, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.